Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
How do you say in Igbo? My mother is a content creator.
Nemu bu contract. Nemu.
Begin.
Contract.
Hey!
Nemu bu contract.
Bikabulam contract. Good evening, uncles and aunties. Hey guys, how are you all doing? So we are here to answer some Igbo questions. I'm gonna be asking KZN questions in English, so they will have to translate or explain in Igbo. You know the essence of doing this is to help them in their Igbo speaking, right? Let's go there. Neto Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your head called in Igbo?
Isi.
Isi?
Yes.
Okay. Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
What is your eyebrows called in Igbo?
Anya braugi. Anya braugi.
Anya bragi. Pardon?
Anya bragi.
Okay. Anya bragi.
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Ifana ya bu nkuanya.
Nkuanya.
Koya.
Nkuanya.
Nkuanya. Kamsi yo Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your hair? Hair called in Igbo?
Hair digi dina isigi.
Sorry?
Hair dina isigi.
Hair dina isigi is what your hair is called in Igbo. It's called ntutu. Say it.
Ntutu.
Say it.
Ntutu.
Neto Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your teeth called in Igbo?
Eze.
Eze.
Yes.
Good girl. Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
What is your tummy called in Igbo?
Afogi.
Afogi. Okay. Kamsi yo Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your breast called in Igbo?
Allah.
Allah. Good boy. Neto Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your bambam called in Igbo?
Huh?
Your bambam.
My bambam. Iye ina nolodu.
Iye ina nolodu.
Yes.
Okay. Iye ina nolodu. Iminilia? Okay, it's called Ike.
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 Okay. Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
What is go and cook called in Igbo?
Jesini.
Jesini. Jesieni. You trying. Come to your Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is go and wash the car called in Igbo?
Jesa moto.
Jesa.
Moto.
Moto is not Igbo. But you tried. It's actually Jesa Oboala. Oboala. Neto Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is go and how? Okay, it's not what is, because what is supposed to be a word, right? Okay, how do you say go and take your bath in Igbo?
Jesaru.
Jesaru. Good girl. Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
How do you say I am pooping in? That you're pooping in Igbo.
Nna yonsi.
Sorry?
Nna yonsi.
Nna yonsi. Alright, it's actually Nna anyo nsi. You're trying. Kamsi yo Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
How do you say I am jumping in Igbo?
Anama patenu.
Anama patenu. Hey! Chineke mkwa ebe na akwata ya akwata. Nna m obura ana m akwata enu. It's actually ana m awunye enu. Ana m awunye enu. Oh? Neto Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your hand called in Igbo?
Aka.
Aka. Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
What is your ears called in Igbo?
Iyegi. Inti.
Nti. Kamsi yo Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your nose called in Igbo?
Imi.
Imi. Neto Chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
How do you say I am eating in Igbo?
Jenny.
No, I said I am eating, not go and eat. I mean I am eating. How do you say it in Igbo? Ndirienni.
Yes.
All right. It's actually anamerini. Anamerini. Zite,
Yes, Mom.
how do you say I am sleeping in Igbo?
Nnalalula. Nnalalula.
Nnalalula. Anamalalola. Oh, come see your chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
How do you say I am sitting down in Igbo?
Anamalolodu.
Anamanolodu. Okay. Neto chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your eyes called in Igbo?
Anya.
Anya. Okay. Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
What is your leg called in Igbo?
Upper.
Come see your chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
What is your mouth called in Igbo?
Onu.
Neto chukwu.
Yes, Mom.
How do you say this in Igbo? My daddy has traveled.
Muwa, daddy, no, travel.
Pardon?
Daddy, no travel.
Okay, Muwa daddy no travel. Okay. Okusime.
Yes.
Okay. Nnamu jerelu njem. Kwuo ya.
Nnamu jelo.
Nna gị megin.
Nnamu
Jewelu njemu.
jelo we njemu.
Okay. Chimziterem.
Yes, Mom.
How do you say in Igbo? My mother is a content creator.
Nemu bu contract.
Huh?
Nemu
Nne gị bụ gịnị?
contract.
Hey!
Nemu bu contract email.
Biko abụlọ m contract mbụ ọbụla. Abụlọ m any contract. Nwere ka nsị bụrụ contract.
Nemu.
Okay, content bụ English. Contract bụrụ Igbo. Alright.
Nemu bu contract email.
Okay, contract email. Okay. Nne m bụ contract email. Okay. Nne gị na-eme ife onyonyo.
Nemu na-eme ife onyonyo.
Ọ ife ejije.
Ife ejeje.
Ya, ife ejije. Nne gị bụ otu onye n'ime ndị na-eme ife onyonyo maọbụ ife ejije.